Looking for a ratchet set that combines compact design with top-tier durability? This set delivers exactly that, packing numerous tools into a minimal space without sacrificing quality. Its unique textile case isn't just stylish, it's built tough, offering extra surface protection and standing upright for neat storage on your workshop shelf. What sets this ratchet set apart is its lightweight build and easy portability. Whether you're moving between job sites or organizing your garage, the low volume and weight make it hassle-free to carry. The textile outer material also keeps your tools protected from scratches and wear, extending their lifespan. The ratchet head itself is designed for precision and flexibility. It pivots freely with 5 predefined locking positions, allowing you to work comfortably in tight spots. With 72 fine teeth, the ratchet offers a smooth, controlled motion and a small 5 degrees return angle, making every turn count. Crafted in Germany, this set reflects a reputation for engineering excellence. Customers across the United States praise its ease of use and solid construction. One user called it perfect, noting that it feels valuable right out of the box and works exactly as expected, robust, reliable, and well made. If you've got a toolbox full of gear but want a ratchet set that stands out for both design and function, this one is worth a look. It's an ideal choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who value quality and convenience in equal measure. Ready to upgrade your toolkit with a ratchet set that's as practical as it is durable? This compact set offers a smart storage solution, precise mechanics, and a lightweight design that fits your busy workflow. Try it when you're ready to experience what real craftsmanship feels like.